In modern high-stakes conflict, amateurs discuss firepower, but professionals absolute master logistics. By July 2026, the Royal Netherlands Air Force sent an unmistakable message across NATO's eastern flank by fully standardizing its 20-strong CH-47F Chinook fleet into the most digitally advanced heavy lift units in military aviation history. This direct action shatters old dogmas as the Netherlands transforms its military backbone from a standard transport vehicle into an aggressive tactical asset, capable of deploying forces directly into severe combat environments. This dramatic upgrade directly confronts a reality where a conventional defense is completely vulnerable and exposed to long-range artillery. In the event of a NATO Article 5 activation, heavy-wheeled armor and main battle tanks risk becoming utterly useless, immobilized by extensive minefields and deep swamp terrain dividing Eastern Europe. Leading global defense analysts argue that, on paper, the only tactical salvation for continuous alliance maneuvers would be a massive, rapid deployment of airborne artillery and combat teams before the adversary can establish total anti-access area denial bubbles. How can a nation the size of the Netherlands sustain the backbone of NATO's rapid mobility? And how does this twin-rotor giant ensure that Allied forward forces are never left defenseless? The answers lay in a total digital transformation that completely alters how the Alliance transports fire support across contested airspace. Before we go on, if you want to stay ahead of the latest global defense breakthroughs, hit that subscribe button now. Do you believe the modernized Chinook can truly overcome modern electronic warfare on the battlefield? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and tell me where you're watching from. To achieve this tactical edge, the Netherlands executed a sweeping fleet overhaul, completely decommissioning the older analog CH-47D models to make room for the heavily upgraded CH-47F equipped with the Common Avionics Architecture System, known as CAS. On paper, the physical capabilities of this machine are already formidable. This variant features a highly reinforced structural airframe designed to drastically reduce cabin vibrations, which extends the overall operational lifespan of the helicopter and protects sensitive internal electronics. Driven by twin Honeywell T55 powerplants, this giant possesses an external cargo hook capacity capable of lifting 28,000 pounds, which equals nearly 13 metric tons. This immense strength allows the Royal Air Force to sling load heavy artillery pieces, such as the Panzerhaubitze 2000, across contested geographical choke points. However, the definitive secret weapon transforming this transport aircraft into a highly survivable asset for the year 2026 is the integration of network-enabled capabilities, or NEC, inside the digital cockpit. Leading global defense analysts argue that with this upgrade, the Dutch helicopter no longer operates as an isolated transport platform. Instead, it functions as a fully networked sensor node. Through the advanced CAS interface, the aircraft automatically ingests real-time tactical reconnaissance data broadcast directly from fifth-generation stealth fighters like the F-35 and attack helicopters such as the AH-64E Apache Guardian. Rather than relying on pre-planned flight paths that risk running into unexpected danger, the onboard computer systems can dynamically track adversary electronic warfare signatures and surface to air missile threat zones. The software then automatically calculates and displays the safest low-altitude flight route to the designated landing zone in real time. This digital integration ensures that alliance forces can continuously maneuver through heavily contested airspace without being caught defenseless. The ultimate success of this modernization program relies on highly practical defense resource management. By transferring 6 decommissioned CH-47D airframes to the United States commercial firm Billings Flying Service, the Netherlands successfully avoided thousands of redundant maintenance hours. These retired airframes received official Federal Aviation Administration restricted type certification by early 2026, transitioning into high-capacity aerial firefighting and commercial heavy-lift assets across North America. This clever divestment allowed the Royal Netherlands Air Force to focus 100% of its technical personnel and financial resources onto the active fleet of 20 advanced CH-47F models operating from Gilles-Rijen Air Base. This total commitment yields massive strategic dividends within the broader framework of NATO collective defense. Leading global defense analysts argue that during a major contingency, conventional ground transport columns will likely face severe immobilization due to extensive minefields and the deep marshland terrain characteristic of Eastern Europe. This is precisely where the unified Dutch heavy lift fleet changes the tactical calculus. In a single coordinated wave, this highly standardized fleet can rapid transport over 600 fully equipped combat troops alongside mobile artillery units directly over territorial obstacles. By completely bypassing compromised roads and contested valleys, the fleet can establish critical defensive lines and forward operating bases deep inside Allied territory before adversary armored columns can exploit defensive gaps. On paper, this seamless logistics network creates an unyielding bridge of rapid reinforcement, ensuring that vanguard units on the eastern flank of NATO are never cut off or left exposed to overwhelming conventional forces. Despite the formidable capabilities of this fully digitized fleet, the Netherlands confronts a critical vulnerability that no amount of advanced engineering can entirely eliminate. In a full-scale conventional conflict, the heavy reliance of the CH-47F on continuous data link transmission and global positioning system signals creates a prominent target for highly sophisticated electronic warfare systems. Leading global defense analysts argue that if complex jamming networks manage to sever these encrypted tactical feeds, this multi-million-dollar aircraft risks losing its real-time threat mapping, forcing aircrews to rely on baseline navigation and visual flight rules in degraded environments. This persistent danger is precisely why the Dutch Ministry of Defense continues to channel significant funding into robust cyber hardening and jam-resistant communication suites through the year 2026. Ultimately, the comprehensive modernization of the Dutch heavy lift fleet offers a profound lesson for the future of global defense. True military readiness is not defined by flashy offensive weapons, but by an unbreakable logistics network capable of operating under extreme pressure. By establishing a standardized, highly connected fleet of 20 CH-47F aircraft, the Netherlands has proven that speed of reinforcement is the ultimate deterrent in modern warfare. As geopolitical tensions continue to reshape the security architecture of Europe, the ability to rapidly deploy combat power across vast distances will dictate the borders of tomorrow. Do you believe that the digital network capabilities of the upgraded Chinook can successfully withstand the intense electronic warfare environments of a modern near-peer conflict? Or will traditional analog backup systems remain the ultimate savior for pilots on the battlefield? Share your perspective in the comments section below, and do not forget to subscribe for more deep military analysis.